Hey everyone! So, you're thinking about studying in the USA? Awesome choice! It's one of the most exciting steps you can take for your future. But I know the process might look confusing, especially when it comes to getting that all-important US student visa. Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to get your USA study visa from Malaysia step by step. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Get accepted by a US school. You need to apply and secure admission to a SEVP-certified university or college in the United States. Once you're accepted, you'll receive a Form I-20. That's your golden ticket for the next steps. Step 2. Pay the CVS fee. This fee is mandatory, and you'll need the receipt to move forward. As of 2024, the CVS I-901 fee is $350 for F1 visa applicants. Always check the latest rates on the official website. These things can change. Step 3. Complete the DS-160 form online. It's a pretty detailed application, so take your time and make sure all your info matches your passport and I-20. Once it's done, you'll get a confirmation page. Print that out. Step 4. Pay the US visa application fee. For most students, this is $185, payable at designated banks or online through the US visa portal in Malaysia. Step 5. Schedule your US visa interview at the US Embassy in Kuala Lumpur. This is the big day. Interview slots can fill up fast, especially during peak application seasons, so plan ahead. Recent updates show wait times are shorter if you apply early, so don't delay. Step 6. Prepare your documents. Bring your passport, your I-20, DS-160 confirmation CVs and visa fee receipts, proof of funds, academic transcripts, and any test scores like TOEFL or IELTS. The embassy can ask for anything, so be thorough. Step 7. Go for your interview. Dress smart, be confident, and answer all questions honestly. Remember, the visa officer wants to know you're a genuine student and that you plan to return after your studies. Step 8. Wait for your visa. If approved, you'll get your passport back with the visa sticker. Processing times vary, but usually it's done within a week or two. And that's it. Now you're ready for your American adventure. If all this sounds a bit overwhelming, don't stress. Our team specializes in helping students in Malaysia, no matter your nationality, navigate every step of the US visa process. We'll double-check your documents, prep you for interviews, and make sure you're fully ready. So if you want to make your US study dreams a reality, click the link below to book a free consultation. Let's take this journey together. Safe travels and good luck.